cleaning system that assures life extension, cost save, efficiency provision, easy repairing against the blockage of condenser tube. CTCS consists of condenser, strainer section, ball collector, controller, and the other peripheral devices. Mechanism. The sponge cleaning balls getting out from the ball collector is inserted through pipes to the condenser. A diameter of the balls is larger than it of the tube. As a flexible sponge, balls clean every pollutant of the inner wall. The balls will be separated from seawater at the strainer section and be collected again. Core technology. V-type screen. Segregation structure for easy repair. And CTCS uses display operation system.